In our endless search for perfected flight performance, our engineers at EMAX have revisited the Tinyhawk platform in order to optimize the user experience in the Tinyhawk 2. With improvements made in every area, pilots will be able to navigate their aircraft in a variety of situations. The first of these improvements stems from the redesigned FPV transmission system. By partnering with the experts over at RunCam, the Tinyhawk 2 features the Nano 2 FPV camera, known for its crisp colors, wide dynamic range, and sharp optics. Modifying the video transmitter with more filters and power has allowed the Tinyhawk 2 to have cleaner video than ever on 25 milliwatts, the indoor standard, as well as 100 milliwatts and 200 milliwatt options for increased range and object penetration while experiencing crystal clear video. Featuring motors which have a 7% increase in power, faster propeller speeds are achievable, allowing an increase in speed, giving pilots an edge against the competition. In order to compensate for the higher achievable speeds when utilizing higher voltage batteries, the Tinyhawk 2 features an adjustable camera mount, allowing pilots the ability to customize their preferred angle of flight. With the higher speed capabilities, the Tinyhawk 2 frame had to be redesigned from the ground up in order to increase the durability. The result is a refreshing take on the unique aerodynamic properties of the original Tinyhawk. Built into the frame is a throttle response LED system, which increases in brightness depending on the throttle input of each motor. By bringing racing standards into the Tinyhawk 2, any pilot will be able to experience top-of-the-line performance, bringing out the best in each user. With the Tinyhawk 2, EMAX has again gotten one step closer towards the perfect flight experience.
See the world through a whole new lens. HS710 from Holystone, equipped with an adjustable camera and better resolution. HS710 allows for quieter flights and no motor maintenance thanks to the brushless motor. It's perfect for getting stable HD images and great for outdoor use. It arrives with 2 batteries for more fun and has a GPS system so you can fly longer distances. Never miss a good moment with the HS710. Holystone, available on Amazon.com.
DJI FPV. The world's first ready-to-fly FPV drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FPV experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device that enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions. With the standard remote controller, 3 distinct flight modes offer multiple options for anyone to fly FPV. Start with N mode for an immersive experience with traditional flight controls. S mode simplifies FPV controls for an exciting hybrid flight. Activate M mode to unlock unlimited flight controls. Now the only boundaries are your skills and imagination. No matter which controller or flight mode you're using, enable emergency brake and hover with one tap to stop and hover in place. The Return to Home button will bring the drone back automatically to its starting location and land it safely. The new DJI O3 transmission system delivers crystal clear, hyper-immersive image quality with ultra-low latency. DJI FPV also features a robust modular design. The fully integrated camera records every breathtaking move in crisp detail, putting you right in the middle of the scene thanks to a super wide 150-degree FOV. Footage stays super smooth thanks to integrated rock-steady technology. This is DJI FPV.